Hello guys, my name is Armin. In today's episode, I want to show you how to create a wall capping or ledger using roof fascia. So this is a great tool, especially when you have a sloped object. I want to show you how to create a wall, also how you turn the wall into a sloped wall and add a ledger to the wall. So you can use this to add any wall coping or capping to a slope wall. You can do it in a different ways, but this is the easiest way and you can apply it to any other slope surfaces that you have. I want to show you how to change the wall. I want to show you how to create a family, use the model line, and really easily apply the wall capping to the profile. So let's look at the Revit, see how we can make these changes. So let's just start by opening a new project. So let's just use a template over here. Let's wait until it gets opened up. Then this is just a regular thing. I want to just have a floor and a wall on top of it. Just something very simple. I just want to use just architectural floor. Just have just a generic 12-inch floor. And I want to go to the architectural tab, just get a generic wall. It's like an 80-inch wall. Just put a wall right in the middle of this. So this is kind of give me a little bit of the shape of the wall and then the floor that we can use, and you can see it in a 3D view how it's gonna look like. I can go to on a shaded, so you can see you have a floor with a wall. We have all of these lines. If you don't want to see any annotations, scope boxes, you want to have like a clear area, you can kind of uncheck the box, remove the annotation. After that, I want to go to the wall sweep. The reason that we can use this, if you have a straight wall, is easy. You can use the wall sweep. You can use the modeling place to kind of add some capping to the wall, which is easy for the straight wall. It's not going to be that hard to do it. But I want to give you a tip and use the roofing fascia to basically create the capping. So what we can do right now, I want to show you how I can create basically just a sloped surface or a wall. I can go to one of the elevations, so I can select the object with a wall here. I can edit the profile. So if you guys want to have a exact dimension, you can basically get those, but it's really easy over here. I can edit the profile. I just basically draw this line and delete the other ones. Pretty easy. So there you go. So our wall got sloped. I'm pretty sure if you have a more dimension, you can get the dimension properly and kind of get that slope. So this is our new sloped wall, and this is be a little bit harder to put a cap on top of this. So I'm going to share this. You can extend to any other application that you use, any slope surface that you want to add a capping or a ledger or anything to it. You can basically use this. So in order to do that, I want to go to the new family. Let's just select the right family because we need to create a new family for our cap. So I want to use this because I want to show you can create any shape with any dimension that you want. So profile hosted, we'll go to the families. So that's the insertion points, and that's the exact point that we can have our model line when we select the plane which we will get to. So I want to have a little bit of the overhang on the side. So let's just start from like 2 inches on this side. I want to go all the way up. So this is the shape that I want to have on top of the wall. So I just want to just draw something over here. There you go. Okay, so this is what I want to take over there. And after this, I want to load it into a project. So just be careful if you have many projects open. Just make sure you load it into a project that you want. So I have 2 projects open at this time. I want to go to the project 3, which is the one that I'm having right now. So that's going to be loaded into my project. Right now, I want to create a roofing. So I want to go over there, fascia, select that one because I want to create the edge for any surface. And this is a great tool tool to use to create. So edit type, I want to duplicate this, put a new name on. Let's just put a wall, wall cap practice that we do together. So let me type practice, okay. And then hit OK. It's going to create a new one. You can see that's our family. This is our type that I have. And right now I go to the profile and just select the profile. So if you have a lot of them, you can name it. But right now, because this is the one that I just created, Revit called family 2, I grab that one. If you want to change the material and everything is going to happen over here. Okay, so I have it right now in my properties. So right now I need to create a work plane and then a model line so I can apply my roofing ledger to it. So I want to go to the set, click on it, just make sure that you select a correct plane. So I'm on the north south, just make sure you're in there, or you can pick that plane that you want to work on, because if I do L1, L2 is going to create pick the surface. So just be available, be aware that we don't want to do the surfaces. We just want to get the basically just the wall. And this is all the different view. If you have anything you want to go to that, you can select that one. But at this point, I just want to make sure I go to set work plane, and then I want to make sure that I select the north south view. So it's basically, it's going to be this view that I have. And I want to go to the model line. Yes, select over there all the way to the other side. I can draw it, and I can look at it in the 3D view to see how that thing is going to apply to it. You guys can see the line over here. Basically draw it exactly on top of the wall. That's our model line. Then I draw it, go from one side all the way to the other side of the wall. Right now I'm going to the roofing, fascia, and I have my wall cap practice, right? Select this, and there you go. Basically adding that to the top of the wall. And again, you can apply these to every single item that you have, and it's going to help you guys a lot. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. I am hoping that I was able to add a few tips and tricks to your toolbox. If you like the content, please subscribe and leave a like, and I will see you in the next video.